Okay, hello everybody. Thought I'd show this to you if anyone's interested in wanting to put heatsink compound on your CPU, or if you're just inspecting your board. How do you get the heatsink off? I mean, these are tough. Some come off pretty easy by rocking them and pushing them, but some, no matter what you do, it's on there like a rock. So I'm going to show you what I do. It works all the time. Easy. So you look under the bottom, try to locate and see if any parts are on one corner of the heatsink. I see, looks like something under this side. Okay. Here I see some parts possibly here too. Here definitely has a lot of parts, but that one corner over there on the left, I don't see anything under it. So let's take a look here and double check, but yeah, I don't see anything. I see something like way down there, but looks like a crystal. Okay, so this is a good corner to work with by this inside sticker. So set your board, it has to be flat. So on this small unit, obviously it's not flat because it has that big connector on it. So try to get it as flat as possible. And let me go to the corner I know I'm working on. It's this one. Okay. So I grab a little piece of wood and put my board on it. Try to get it flat, so I'm gonna go over the edge. Okay, because the edge allows me to hang it here. And try to see that it feels at least solid on this side as much as possible. Try to get it where it don't rock as much, but since this is gonna be the area I have a safe zone in, I'm gonna be working in this area, and I wanna make sure it feels solid as a rock. Sometimes it'll just come off, but first thing you do is, let me grab this, pop in one of these guys, okay, try to get it under, it's just a post-it note. Let's see if I can do it with one hand here. Yeah, right there. You just want to protect the motherboard a little bit. So that's it. Now it's ready to come off. So what do you do to take it off? Well, here comes my famous technique. That's it. It's off. Just have to take the springs off. The heatsink's off. That's all you do, is you just give it a nice little tap on it with your fist and heatsink loose. Now you can put some new heatsink compound if you like something special to put on it, or you want to inspect, make sure everything looks clean, no debris under here. So thought I'd just point that out to you.